Welcome to this lesson on missense mutations. A missense mutation is one of the most important types of point mutations you'll encounter in genetics. Think of it like changing a single letter in a word, which then creates a completely different word with a different meaning. In molecular terms, this means changing one nucleotide in the DNA sequence, which results in a different amino acid being incorporated into the protein. This single change can have effects ranging from completely harmless to life-threatening, depending on where it occurs and what amino acid gets changed. Let's define exactly what a missense mutation is. A missense mutation is a point mutation, meaning it affects just a single nucleotide in the DNA sequence. When this single nucleotide changes, the codon that contains it is altered. Remember, a codon is a 3-nucleotide sequence that codes for a specific amino acid. When the codon changes due to the mutation, it now codes for a different amino acid than the original. This is the key characteristic of missense mutations. The result is a different amino acid being placed into the protein sequence. Here's a simple example to illustrate the basic mechanism. In normal DNA, you might have the codon GAA, which codes for the amino acid glutamic acid, abbreviated as GLU. Now, if a mutation changes the middle nucleotide from a to T, the codon becomes GTA. This mutated codon now codes for valine, abbreviated as VAL, which is a completely different amino acid. Notice that just one nucleotide changed, but the result is a different building block in the protein. This is the fundamental process behind all missense mutations. The process follows 3 simple steps. First, a single nucleotide in the DNA sequence undergoes a change. This could happen due to errors during DNA replication, exposure to radiation, or chemical mutagens. Second, because one nucleotide changed, the codon now specifies a different amino acid according to the genetic code. Third, when this DNA is transcribed and translated, the protein that gets made will have the wrong amino acid at that specific position. The protein sequence has been altered, and this alteration may or may not affect how the protein functions. The most famous example of a missense mutation is the one that causes sickle cell anemia. In this disease, the codon GAG, which normally codes for glutamic acid, is mutated to GTG, which codes for valine. This happens in the gene for hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen in red blood cells. Just this single amino acid change, from glutamic acid to valine at position 6 of the beta-globin chain, causes the hemoglobin molecules to stick together under low oxygen conditions. This makes red blood cells become sickle-shaped instead of their normal round shape, leading to all the symptoms of sickle cell disease. Missense mutations can have 3 main types of effects. First, the mutation might be neutral, meaning it has little or no effect on the protein's function. This typically happens when the new amino acid has similar chemical properties to the original one. Second, the mutation could be harmful, causing the protein to work less efficiently or incorrectly. This occurs when the amino acid change alters the protein's structure or active site. Third, the mutation might be severe, leading to complete loss of protein function or causing serious disease. The outcome depends entirely on which amino acid is changed and where in the protein that change occurs. Several factors determine how much impact a missense mutation will have. First, the chemical properties of the amino acids matter. If you replace a hydrophobic amino acid with another hydrophobic one, the effect is usually minimal. But replacing a hydrophobic amino acid with a charged one can be devastating. Second, the location in the protein is crucial. Mutations in the active site of an enzyme are usually more harmful than mutations in less critical regions. Third, the role in protein structure matters. Some amino acids are critical for maintaining the protein's 3-dimensional shape. Finally, the importance for function determines the severity. If the mutation affects a region essential for the protein's job, the consequences will be more serious. Let's summarize the key concepts about missense mutations. First, remember that a missense mutation involves just one nucleotide change, but this single change results in a different amino acid being incorporated into the protein. Second, the effects of missense mutations exist on a spectrum, ranging from completely harmless substitutions to severe, disease-causing changes. Third, the actual impact depends on multiple factors: the chemical properties of both the original and new amino acids, the location of the change within the protein, and how important that particular position is for the protein's structure and function. Understanding missense mutations is fundamental to genetics because they're responsible for many inherited diseases and also contribute to genetic diversity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.